Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken and mushroom rice in a Ninja Speedy. Alright, I'm starting out in my Ninja Speedy. I'm going to start by putting in 2 cups of chicken broth. And 2 10.5-ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup. And that came out nicely. Now I'm going to add in a healthy tablespoon of pre-diced garlic. If you use fresh, use about 2 cloves diced up. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to give that a quick stir to get the soup and the broth combined. Okay, now I have 2 cups of white rice that I rinsed and drained. That's going in. And this isn't instant rice. This is regular raw white rice. Make sure that's what you use. And I'm going to give that one more stir to get the rice mixed in there. Now that seems like a lot of liquid, but as this rice cooks, that will drink that liquid up. Alright, now I have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I rinsed off and I patted dry. I'm going to spray these down with a little bit of olive oil. It's going to help crisp them up and keep our spices on. Grab a fork. And I'm going to go ahead and season that. I'm just using the Himalayan pink sea salt with garlic and black pepper from McCormick's. If you don't have that, salt, pepper, little granulated garlic or garlic powder will work just fine. I'm going to turn them over and I'm going to season the other side. Spray them down with some olive oil. The olive oil will also help keep the moisture in the chicken. Season that side up. Now you can season your chicken with anything you like. It's totally optional. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. Now I put my tray in a Ninja Speedy. I'm going to load these in here. It's going to be a tight fit, but we'll be able to get them all in there. I'm going to close my lid down and make sure our switch is set at rapid cooker. Alright, I'm going to turn my Speedy on. We're set over here on a rapid cooker. I'm going to leave it on Speedy Meals. It's already set at 390 by default. That's where I'm going to leave it. And I'm going to set my time for 15 minutes. Now this will come up to temperature and then it'll start steaming and air frying the chicken at the same time. Halfway through I'm going to go in and turn that chicken over so it gets evenly brown on both sides. You don't have to do that, but you get a better end result if you do that. Alright guys, this is done. I tested it with a meat thermometer. It's at 162, but I'm going to allow it to rest on a plate over here for a few minutes, so carry over cooking will bring it up to 165. So I'm going to get this out and set it to rest for a few minutes. And I turned it over halfway through. You can see how it's nice and golden brown, but it isn't burnt. I'm going to take out the tray. And I'm going to give my rice a stir. Let's use my tongs. Stir that together. And I can see how the rice drank up all that liquid. I'm going to allow my chicken to sit for about 5 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Let's start with a piece of this chicken. You can see the chicken's cooked through and it's super moist. Really delicious. Well seasoned. Let me try a little bit of this rice. Boy, that rice is really good. Flavored from the chicken broth. Get out of here. My cat's bumping the tripod. Good flavor from chicken broth. The garlic. That soup in there. That's really delicious, guys. 1-pot meal. 15 minutes. You're done. Alright, there you have it. Chicken and mushroom rice and a Ninja Speedy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.